algebra today. Who's heard of algebra? Have you heard of it? What do you know about algebra?
No. Sometimes algebra, you got sometimes like algebra, like you got to brush your teeth when they're hurt and you got bad breath.
Okay. I'm not sure what that one is, but algebra has something to do with math, okay? And it's a mystery number. Algebra usually has a mystery number in it. What does that mean?
Whoa.
Yes, what does that mean?
You can't have one or two or three.
Okay.
And if you get three things, or you can do math things like make A-B patterns. And
Oh, I like the patterns, yeah?
you can make shapes.
Okay.
And that's what.
And we even
about,
have a flag in there.
That's what math all about.
Very good. All right, so I want you to put your elbows on the table, and I want you to hold up both hands so they're equal, okay? So, do you know what a balance scale is? You've used a balance scale, haven't you?
Outside.
If they're balanced, if you have the same amount of weight on both sides, then it's like this.
If it's not balanced, you have one down and one up.
That's exactly it. So make it unbalanced. Make one of your hands heavier than the other. Now go balanced again. And now make the other one heavier. Okay? Your elbows can come up if they need to. Okay? Now they're balanced again, right? Okay. If I take this blue square here and I put it in this hand, how can I make sure? Is it going to go like this?
Yeah. It's gonna go like this.
This one's going to be heavier than nothing, isn't it?
Yes, and
Okay.
this one will go.
This one's going to go up, right?
And this one will go low.
Right. So this one with the blue in it is going to be heavier, right? What can I do to make this come back down again?
You get another one.
Another what?
Another square.
Okay. Or let's say a blue one, okay? So now they're the same, right?
Yes,
Okay.
and now they're equal. Yes.
Very good.
Equal.
What if I do this? What happens?
That one gets heavier.
This one gets heavier, so we go that way, right? How can
And
I make
that
it balance
one
out?
goes down.
How do I make it balanced again?
You get one more.
What?
One more behind this.
Ah, he's going to put it in that hand for me. Now I'm balanced again, right?
Yeah.
And I'm going to a little bit trickier now. You ready? Okay. What if
You.
this one is balanced with two of these?
It's still going to be the same.
Okay, they're going to be equal, right? What if I put one of these over here?
It's heavy. It's heavy.
So what do I do to make it balance now?
Put one more.
Well, we don't know about the green one yet. We don't know about the green one. If one of these
You
is
put-
balanced
you
with
put-
two blue, then how am I going to make this balance
You
again?
put two more reds.
Two more reds?
And,
Make it
and two
balance.
more blues on the other side.
Say it again.
And you put two more blues on the
Put two
other
more
side.
blues. Why is that?
Two more blues.
Why is that?
It's balanced.
It's balanced
Now
because
same.
one,
It's equal.
one red equaled two blues, right?
Yes.
So if I have two red, I gotta have
Two blues.
two blues.
And if you have two blues and the other two blues, and you have two reds, and you take these away, this one will go down, and this one will come up.
Okay, so I'm gonna do this. So what happens now?
That one goes
Okay.
down. That one.
How do I make them balanced again?
You
Without-
put one more back in there. You put three more.
What can I do with this hand to make
You
it balanced
put
again?
two more on the red.
You got to get another one on that side. And
Or what can I do instead?
you can just put
Maybe-
two more back and
Two more
back, and you can.
blue ones back?
Yeah, and it would
You're
go
right.
up.
You're right. Now they're balanced again. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it's amazing.
What is amazing? What if I had three red ones over here?
It will go
Oh, way over, right?
and that one will go down.
That one.
So, who can tell me what to do so that they're balanced again? What do I have to do to this hand? Yeah.
Get three reds. Get three more. Get three more blues.
Three more blues.